Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we'll be discussing the best 5 Indian high profitable PSU stock that you can consider for an investment for the year 2022. PSU, that is public sector undertaking, are the companies where the government of India has the majority stock, that is more than 51%, and hence these companies are called as a government companies. These companies are very crucial to our country's economy as they operate to develop the nations in different ways. However, due to the wave of privatization, there is a uncertainty about these companies. Many investors fear or hesitate to invest in these PSU companies, thinking that they are the slow and inefficient and will not generate the handsome return to the shareholder. But always there are exceptions to this. So let's explore the best 5 PSU stocks. So on the very first number, it is our favorite State Bank of India. It is India's number one public sector bank, and this company required no introduction. This stock has delivered around 80% return in the past 1 year. So now we will discuss the financial performance of this company. So these are the 5-year data, where in 2017, March 2017, the sale, that is top line of the company, was around 2,30,000 crore approximately, and 2021 it has jumped to around 2,80,000 crore, and trailing 12 month, past 1 year, it has given a sale of 2 lakh around 83,000 crore. Now we will discuss the net profit, which is very interesting. In 2017, the company was earning just around 240 crore profit. Now you will be surprised, in 2021 company has delivered around 22,400 crore profit, and in last 1 year company has given around approximately 32,000 crore profit. So you compare 240 crore to 32,000 crore, it's almost 130 times profit the company has delivered. And on the last line, price, the company's share price was in 2017 around 295 rupees, and it has jumped to around 500 rupees. Recently it has touched nearly 550 rupees. Now we will discuss the second favorite stock, which is known as IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. This company came up with its IPO, that is initial public offer, around 2.5 years ago, and in the meantime this company has given a good return. So we will look at the financial performance. Since this company launched 2.5 years ago, so there are little data we have got. So sale was around 1,500 crore in March 2017. Now it has 2021 around 800 crore, and as you can see, in last 1 year the company has doubled the sale, that is 1,500 crore. So this is a very good and popular company, and this is a monopoly company in railway sector. No other company is there in the railway. Now look at the profit. In 2017 company has 230 crore profit. Even during pandemic in 2020, March 20, you can say the company was giving a consistent profit of around 500 crore, but in 2021, due to the lockdown and all that, the company's profit has come down to 190 crore, but company has now pulled the position, and now you can see the company has back to its profit, and now it's around 550 crore. So this is a monopoly stock, don't miss the stock. Now the price of the stock In 2020 company got listed, and around 196 was the price, and just look at the price. Now it has gone to around 800, more than 800 it is trading presently. So it is a best company, I think you can consider for investment. Now on the third number, it's National Aluminum Company Limited, popularly it's called as NALCO. NALCO is a Navratna public sector enterprise that fall under the Ministry of Mines. This is a Group A company, operates in the mining, metal and power sector. So it is a well diversified company, and the stock price of the company has given around, this stock has given around 240% return in the past 1 year. Now look at the financial performance of the company. The sale, that is top line, was around 7,500 crore in March 2017, and it has jumped to almost, you can say, 9,000 crore in March 2021, and in past 1 year company has delivered a sale of around 12,660 crores. So this is also a marvelous company. Net profit of the company was around 670 crore in March 2017, and now in 2000 and almost double, you can say 1300 crore, and from there also double, that is last 1 year it has delivered around 2900 crore profit. So now look at the price of the stock at the last, that is March 2017, the price stock was trading around 76 rupees. In 2021 the stock was trading around 54 rupees, but now almost double, you can say, now it is trading 121 rupees. So this stock is also good from the government sector. Now on the next number, it is Bharat Electronic, that is popularly it is called as BEL. This is another exceptional PSU that focuses mainly on manufacturing of electronic product for the country's defense sector. BEL is also a good stock for the long-term investor, as the performance of the company has always been steady on the positive side, and the company stock has delivered around 76% return in the past 1 year. Now look at the financial performance. The top line, that is sales, was around 8,600 crore in March 2017, now jumped to almost, you can say, double, 14,000 crore, and in trailing 12 months it has given around 16,000 crore sale. Now bottom line, that is net profit, was around 1,500 crore in March 2017. In March 2021 it has jumped to around, you can say, double also, near to double, 2,100 crore, and trailing 12 months, that is past 1 year, it has delivered net profit around 2,600 crore. Now we will discuss the stock performance. That is, in 2017 stock was trading around 140 rupees. Now in 2021 the stock is around 125 rupees, but from there it has doubled to 210. See, March 21 the stock has not shown good performance because of the lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. And on the final side we will discuss the Power Grid Corporation of India. Power Grid Corporation of India is a part of Nifty 50 index as well. It is also a very important company when it comes to interstate power transmission service. This stock has given around 42% return in the past 1 year. The ROCE, that is return on capital employed of the company, is also improving, as it is using its capital very wisely. Now we will discuss the financial performance. The sale, that is top line of the company, was around 25,700 crore in March 2017, and it has jumped to, you can see, just almost 40,000 crore, near to double, and trailing 12 months, that is past 1 year, it has given a sale of around 41,000 crore. Now bottom line, that is profit, this company has delivered around 77,450 crore, and in 2000 almost you can near to double 12,000 crore, and in past 1 year this company has given a net profit bottom line of around 16,000 crore. Now finally we will discuss the stock performance. In March 2017 the stock was trading around 150 rupees, shown a performance of 161 in March 2021. In trailing 12, in 1 year this stock has given a performance of 208 rupees. See, normally by investing in public sector enterprise you will get the two benefit that is written in the form of two way. That is, first you will get the capital appreciation, your investment will get good return, and second, the public sector enterprise are free to distribute the good dividend to their shareholder. Hope this video is useful to you. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel Phenoment if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.